Welcome back to another episode of You Win or You Learn. I am Dylan Haskin. One of the big lessons that we learned since we started our company, and it's something that I would tell myself if I was starting my company today, is hire an accountant. And I don't mean hire an accountant as an employee, I mean outsource your accounting. That is something that isn't actually a very big cost a month, but it saves you a huge amount in the long run. We made a lot of mistakes with our accounting, trying to do it ourselves. In the beginning, when you're running your business, you try and wear all the hats of what you're supposed to do while running a business, because we don't have the cash flow and all those type of things. But accounting is one of those things that I would suggest get as soon as possible. It's one of those things that you paying the accountant every month saves you a huge amount by the mistakes that you'll inevitably make when you're trying to do your own accounting. Obviously, if you are already an accountant, fine, you can do it yourself. But for us normal people who are just trying to run our business, getting an accountant is something that is very valuable. Even if it might seem like in the beginning when you don't have that many clients and you don't have that much income, it's like, oh, I can easily do my income and expenses. The issue is that once you start getting busy, and if you haven't already created that system of how you work with your accountant, all those admin things start falling behind, and eventually you're going to get to the point where it's like, oof, I need to pay my tax in 3 days. And it's not just your tax because you're a person, it's also the company tax, and it's perhaps have you sorted out employers because now you've employed people since then. It is really the biggest thing I would suggest is the first thing to get in place when you begin your company is an accountant. The other thing that is very cool about having an accountant is that they are there to help you be the most tax efficient that you can. So you both have the same incentive. For them to keep you as a client, they want you to be happy with the service that they provide. And the service that they provide isn't actually just doing your tax. It is doing your tax in an efficient way. It is looking at where you are spending money that you don't need to. And all of that ends up helping you and your business as well as them and their business. So it's such a great collaboration to work with an accountant, especially ones that you can trust and especially ones that are working together with you. Getting an accountant has been one of the best things we could ever have done for our business, and I wish we had done that right in the beginning. If you are looking for an accountant, I'm more than happy to recommend our one to you. I will just let me know, send me a message if you would like to know who they are, and I'll send you the details. Obviously, this is not sponsored by them or anything like that. We're just really happy by the service that we've got from them. But in general, I think any proper accounting firm would be great and do their job. But in general, any professional accounting firm would be a good kind of place to go to. I'm not offering any kind of financial advice here, just the advice of getting someone to help you who's qualified with your finances. This is the end of the episode. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more of this, and send me a message if you have any questions or comments or anything like that. All right, see you in the next one.